there's two parts to this movement. There's the part where the bar is above your knee, and then the part where the bar is from the knee down to the floor. So from the bottom up, the bar is going to start about at the middle of your shin. You're going to get all the way up to the bar, so pull it into your shins. Your hips are higher than your knees, and your shoulders are higher than your hips. If all those things check out, you're in a good position. Pull those shoulders back, take a deep breath, and then push so where your back is coming up at the same angle. The bar comes up to your knee, and then when you get to the knee, push the hips forward and stand up tall. On the way back down, you're going to push your butt backwards. The bar stays right up against my thighs. Once you get to the knee, you can start bending your knees a little bit more and then lowering down to the floor. If you can make all that smooth, that's a perfect barbell deadlift.